Is she in the...
Hi.
Why are you in the shower?
She's showing the
Why are you eating an ice cream in the shower?
Because Jaden is trying to pick me up. Alright, Lola, come here. I'm giving Lola a bath. I don't understand why you guys always harass me.
She's just four. Cheater.
I'm just
Lola,
trying to eat
stop.
my ice cream
Cheater,
in
you
peace.
won't. Cheater, you won't. No balls. You won't drink out of that.
So your brother harassed you right into the shower.
Huh?
Cheater. Cheater. Cheater.
And you stand in there and eat your ice cream.
Cheater.
Lola, come
Bobby.
here. No!
It's my ice cream.
Leave me alone!
Lola just licked it. I'll
I'm gonna punch you.
shoot shampoo at you.
Just let me go downstairs. Come here. Come on. Don't! You're running my ice cream!
Now the dog is in the tub.
Leave me alone!
Let me out. I'm scared.